Welcome, Year 3, to one of my favourite games, my favourite learning activity in maths. It's called Paddocks. Now, in Paddocks, it's about a farm, isn't it? So let's look at this farm. We've got the bridge and the road, we've got the river. Here's your farmhouses, here's your sheds. Here are all these bales of hay, which we call silage because they're wrapped in plastic. And over here, the farmland, all of our paddocks. Now, to play this game, you're going to need just a few pieces of equipment. You're going to need two 10-sided dice. I've got them for you. You're going to need a maths grid book and you'll need two coloured pencils, one for you, one for your partner. Now, if you don't have a partner, that's okay. You simply play against yourself. Now, we roll the dice. You're not going to be able to see the dice come through, but I can tell you the first two numbers that came through were a 3 and a 5. Anywhere I always like to start in the corner. I've got to square off 3. 1, 2, 3, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to box it off, so it's not really a square, is it? It's a rectangle. That is right. Now, once I've got that in, I need to get my grey lead pencil, and I'm going to write my multiplication here. 3x multiplied by 5 equals 15. And over here, I'm going to write the number 15. That's important. That's how I keep my score for later on. I now roll the dice again, and I've got a 6 and a 2. It's my partner's turn, so they need a different colour. And anywhere around, they've got a square off, or rectangle off, 6 and 2. I'm going to go right here. 1, 2. Now I could go 6 down, or I could go 2 down. I'm going to go 2 down, and then 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to go 6 across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here it is here. Got a nice rectangle here, don't I? Again, I get my grey lead pencil out, and I'm going to write in my multiplication that I've made. 6x2, get rid of this word here. 6 multiplied by 2 equals, I don't know why that column is there, the semicolon, is 12. And over here, this is my partner's side, they're just going to write the number 12. This is a really good way of seeing what a multiplication looks like. They are arrays. We saw that from yesterday's maths when we made the number 24. So we're trying to put all this together. We can see the 12. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6. That makes 12, doesn't it? Anyway, it's my turn again. So I've rolled a 8 and a 1. So I'll go to my agreement anywhere I want, as long as I can't put it in here. And I'm going to do it at the top here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if you're not sure, I can go back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, some people like to use their ruler because you know with a ruler you can actually measure up 8 centimetres, can't you? And I keep on going here. Now, it's all in the rectangle, and it was 8 multiplied by 1, which of course equals 8. I'm just going to put that nice and neatly inside the box of where it needs to be. I can click here, and my total is 8. My partner's turn, they're going to make their array. They'll write the multiplication in, and they'll add it up here. The aim of the game is to have your sheet completely full. Once your sheet is full, you need to add up your scores. Now, if you want, you can try. That's a challenge. You can try and add them all together in your head, or you can get a calculator on your iPad or on your phone. There's a calculator, and you can add up your total, and that's how you'll see who the actual winner is. So this is your task for today. I actually think it's a really good game to be playing over and over throughout the week and throughout the term because it's such a strong way of learning your multiplication and to be able to see what multiplication means. I'm looking forward to seeing your finished arrays or paddocks.